Hello to all the buyers on the Stocklear platform. I am happy to be with you today live from Liers, North France Topo, in the north of France to present a new batch from Groover. Groover, which you probably already know, is a major retailer in Germany specializing in renting high-tech products to individuals. These products are rented for between 0 and 5 years, on average 2 to 3 years of rental. Then they arrive on the Stocklear platform in the form of lots in 3 major qualities: new with original packaging, functional used, and non-functional. Read the blue bubble carefully. We have cover photos. It defines the quality. You will understand it better. And be sure to download the Excel file to get maximum information on the product line. So here we took a sample from a lot of functional used multi-brand laptops. So here we took just a few products. So 90%, 95% are in their original packaging. I tried to turn on two at random. So here there is some Microsoft Surface laptop 4. It turns on, so there is no problem. The pad works very well. The mouse, everything seems to function visually. You know, I won't go into detail. The product has no signs of wear, no damage. It is in really very good condition visually and functionally. There is a slight impact here. There is the charger. There is the manual, well, the original box. Here we have a Microsoft Surface Pro. It is also in really great condition. Yes, in great condition. Well, there are some. Here's some. I'll try to lock the screen. I don't know how it works. There's some slight impacts. Well, it's wear. It's naturally a surface, so it rests on the edge. It must be from placing it like that, maybe rubbing on the edges, but it's very slight. But in any case, it's really in good overall condition. Same, there's even the charger still in its original box. It's very clean. User manual. To prove to you that we do it randomly, I will open in front of you a Galaxy Book Pro 360 from Samsung. So here there is even the original protective sheet. Stylish charger, charging cable case, manual. Those are my fingerprints, but otherwise it's in like new condition. Used but functional, already used, rented. But Groover is very strict on rental returns, so it's in very, very good condition. Honestly, the computer is really perfect here. I'm trying to turn it on. Well, it probably has no more battery. No, it doesn't turn on. It will need to be charged. But if it's a functional second-hand item, it is supposed to work. That's it for this lot. Feel free to ask us any questions you want. At the bottom right of your screen, there's a small chat, a blue bubble to chat with us. Make sure to register our delivery network in your Stocklear account to get automatic shipping quotes. We wish you good bidding and see you soon.